Okay, we're live, we're live, we're live. Everything is going smooth, like cool, like air we breathe. Let's go. This is excellent. So let's see what we can get. Okay. Mm-hmm. We're coming up into some this 65 to 69. Been getting pushed back. Been getting pushed. This yellow right here is current open, and this blue is the prior close. So right here, current open and prior close. The high should be coming up pretty soon at 69.50. Seventy-two, 73, 72 is the R2, R1. If y'all hear that outside, that's garbage truck coming up. Garbage truck coming through. Recyclables and garbage. They're trying to stack some orders up here. You see them stacking? They're trying to stack some orders up here at 63. 15-minute bar just opened up. So we might sweep this high of 64.50. Might want to sweep this 64.50. I don't know if it's gonna hold, but if it holds above this high volume node, I mean value area high, might go. But we got news coming out. It's 10:45, so I don't even want to. It's a good setup, but up until at least 69 or the testing the high, retest the high. We just came over, so we got some sellers up here. Okay, had to take that call, and the move is where we at 69, tested new highs to 72. We tested the 72, not yet, but that's the test. That's 72. We turn from red to green. Let me see if I can get an options trade. I could have took an options trade at that 64. Wasn't thinking about that. 71.60. 77. How did I do that? I'm gonna wait till after the news, till after 10:30. But this right here was a good trade. Could have took that. Had time before the news came out. Okay, we took out this high over here. What high was that? 69.50? No, we didn't. Oh, we did. We went up to 71. Swept this high. So let's see if we come back into value area, which we did a nice little dump. Came right back to the top of this 5 minute opening range. Yeah, they've been taking out the lows. They've been sweeping, and pushing, sweeping. They're trying to get higher. They're trying to sweep. Mm-hmm. Ten o'clock. Over and under the open 63. 63. Back below the daily open. Got a double top. Trade between 60 to 50. But I'm not doing anything until after the news come out. Until the news come out. Oh no, everything came out 9:45. Okay, I thought we got natural gas at 10 o'clock, so we good. Okay, so all the news is gone. Let's see what we looking at. See if we keep going over and under daily open. Trying to get filled on an options trade. Hold up. Don't say that I got any trades open. No. Waiting. Okay, filled on that order. Oh, I see. I'm on. Okay. I'm gonna take a short here. Order filled. Stop is gonna be right over the daily open. Let's see if we get a push lower for this first trade. I gotta break this low. Lower 58.75. Gotta break 60 also. Not yet. Not yet. No. It's not ready yet. Just to the top of the it's still holding up. You see they stacking, or they're stacking here. Come on. 4 points. 58. 58. I'm gonna move my stop down because I don't want it to pull back on me. Just went to 4 points. 4 points. Target filled. Okay. That's it. First target, 4 points. And guess what? I didn't have my copy trader on. This was supposed to be here. So I didn't get the trade. Copy trader wasn't on. So now I gotta refresh. Have to refresh. So that was on the demo. That was on the demo. See if we come back into this channel here. Gotta take this. We got back down to the other end of this candle. Is opening range candle. We dipped below 49. 10 points. They went 60 to 50, bounced off that 50. Bounced off the 50. My options trade was hit. We may trade in this range for a minute. This opening range, the daily open. So we can trade between 63 and 72. That 10-point range, the opening. I'm gonna draw where we could possibly just start hanging out. We can hang out in between here. Kinda like here or here. Or we can hang out. We can hang out here. From here up to the opening range. I mean up to the open. So which side are we gonna be on? This side or this side? So 50 to 63, say 50 to 60. I like using round numbers, 50 to 60, 63. Or we overlap here and that close is 61.50. So this where we could be ranging in between these on a daily chart. These is just the levels I'm looking at. Higher 71.71. So we didn't clip or get higher than 71.73. We're gonna shake around here for a minute. Hey, we may We had this big wick overnight that dumped in after hours. Wonder if we come down and test this lows again. What's the low? Let me see. I'm gonna be looking out for 7105. 7105. Let's see if we can look. 7101, 7101, 7120. This is where we came down and we just dipped overnight to 71. No, this ain't 7120, 71. Overnight we came to the low of 7105, 7105. The low 7105.50. Don't know if we sweep this low, this double top, and come back and check where we came to open the lows. I gotta turn my not copy trade. Well, I turn on the copy trader because when I'm using a sim to copy trade to my Lucid Firm account, I get some slippers. So now I'm a trade with my Lucid and copy to the sim, and I want to see how much slippers I get. I lost that. Made a trade, copy trader wasn't on, so I didn't get that. It was a good trade, but just not in my account. Over 60 to 70. Just trading back up over, trying to get over. Days open. We are bullish. We keep dipping though. We keep dipping. It seems like they coming to get this liquidity under here so it can squeeze. Look like they trying to wipe out liquidity so they can squeeze. They keep getting rejected. Somebody said they used the 5,000, pardon, the 5,000 volume on ES. Let's see what that looks like. 5,000 volume. 5,000 volume went from 7129 to 7137. Those is too big for me to look at. It's too much of a range for one bar. I need to break them down a little bit more for me. Can't put a stop loss that far for me. Somebody trying to hold the fort down here. 57.50. Trying to hold the fort at 57.50. It's ugly. It's ugly. No direction. Right now, double top came down, consolidating back in this range here. They're trying to hold it up. Look at that. Every time we get here, they flashing orders. Just not clean. It's just not so fresh and so clean. Okay. I like. Okay. I'm just waiting. No follow through. Little pops, no follow through. Keep testing that point of control. $61.50. Have to keep refreshing this because the orders on the side. See the orders on the side? After a certain amount of time, they just start. They like fade away. Why I don't know. Maybe it's the indicator. Now I can see. And now I can see the volume on the side. And as time goes on, they uh-oh, what I don't want to move this, but I did move it. Where's 935? Okay. Just trading, like I said, we just trading over right below or right over the previous day's high. I mean open. The current open, not previous day, the current open. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Look at the 4-hour chart. It's 64.50. And then we got this area here that's 63.75. We cleared it, but then we got rejected right back. So we got rejection here, and then we got buying here, and we just in this area. Still kind of bullish on here. Still kind of bullish on. There we go. If we can come up above here and stay above the previous day's high, 64 to 60, 67 to the high. There we go. That might be it. Okay, we in the second part of the daily chart. We're in the second part. 71.71. Over and under. I like it for a long. It's just so janky. I like it for a long. It's just so janky up here. Broke out this. It can go up, but then it can just crash like it's been doing up here. It can just crash. Don't want to be in a crash, but went nowhere. Went nowhere. But I don't want to short. I'm gonna get rid of this. maybe we get a flat top breakout at sometime during the day. All right, say we stay up, say we going back and forth, and say that you know, and maybe we want to keep going until we get a little higher, and we get a flat top breakout here. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get my orders back. I gotta switch to get the orders back. Do we get the push? Do we get the push? One of these bars is gonna push. It's timing. And a lot of times my timing is just bad. I got okay. Orders moved up. We have the high volume node at 67.25. Orders moved up, maybe give it some room to go. Okay, orders stepping in. Orders stepping in. Yep. Okay. Trying to hold it. 67. Run right into it and sell back down. Go a couple of points. 2 points and sell back off. It's not my type of trade. Okay, get the pop. Now we trying to hold below it. Somebody trying to hold it up. I want to see it. I want to see it get above that 70 level. Back down to 65. It may get that, come down, up, consolidate in here, and boom, get up to 70, 80, 71.80. And also on the 4-hour chart, we got this top of this trend line that's holding, and this R1 is above this trend line. It's holding up. It's just, like I said, timing. Timing is the key. Where's my chart? I done lost my chart. I lost my chart. It's pushing. Looks like it wants to push. 15-minute chart looks pretty good, but it's shaking and baking. Barcoding up here like it's done right here. Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. I don't see too many orders over here as light, so I want to. Okay, here we go. See where they at. Moved up some. And back down from 68. Right at the high value area. Seller's been stuffing the price up here at 68, 69. Now, do we get another break again? Is this the same trade as earlier? We got some orders down here at 60 holding, or trying to buy over here. 137. Still back in this trend. Over and under. Current open. Back over. Is it going now? Is this where it goes? Got 4 minutes to the next 15-minute bar opens up. 15-minute bar looks pretty decent up here, but we just not breaking that 68. Not breaking that 68 or 70. Not breaking that 68 or 70. So not holding up. Yeah, we've been really not doing anything up here. Like I said, if we hold this, we may take some time to get above here. If we get above here, probably end of the day if they want to make that happen. I like the trade is win. If it goes, I like. Take it easy, all right? You try to open the door and rush in and get on the door. You gotta be careful, man. All right?
Okay. Gotta be more careful, okay?
I did like that trade. Maybe it was ready to go, but is it gonna break? That 68 getting is that 68 gonna get stuffed or no? Are we going to get stuffed on the 68 or no? 65 to 75? Coming back up to this. See if the seller keeps selling up here. See if they still here. Gonna test. There we go. And if it goes this way, it may go. This way it may go. Like I said, may. This breakout. Test one, test twice. Breakout. New high. But I want to see it. I want to see it go. And then 83 to 84 is the next target. Is it? Testing high again. Not yet. No break. We made a high. So we made a new high, but we didn't make a new high on the stochastics. So we got diversion here. One of them got to catch up to the other. We got diversion going up. I mean, we got that's going up, and then we got this coming down. So we got some divergence here. Got weakness. Got weakness in the this is one of those days an iron condor would be nice. Iron condor would be nice. There we go. $72 right here. I would rather wait till we get over this 72 to go long. 72, 73. The previous day close was 71, 70, 71 and a quarter, and the high was 73. I want to see it get over here. Keep testing. Keep testing. Keep bumping up against it. 69. Keep bumping up against it. Does it break? Flat top break. Came down. Consolidate. But we got different resistance levels above it. Okay. Over. Where we at? We trying to open up over 69.50. We got orders 77, 71.70. You see it stacked? See these orders stacked over here? See how this is just flat down, even? And they trying to stack these orders over here. There we go. There we go. Prior high. Okay, so we over. Flat top break. We over. See if we come back in. But I wouldn't like this to be here. I would like it to be here, but it's good. It could be good that it's close, because if it stays over here now, it's kind of, if it holds above, now we can have a second confirmation that we are, we can possibly move higher. But let's see. Five more minutes for the next 15-minute bar to open up. So can we get, we up three bars. Can we get a 1-2 punch? We did a 1-2. Should we did a 1-2-3? Okay. All right, we're making the way up. Okay, we broke out of previous day's high at 73. Sold out of over previous day's high at 73. Okay. Got 4 minutes for the next 15-minute bar. Hopefully it don't pop up. I want to see it close above the R1 and kind of 72. Three minutes. 3 minutes. Delta's still going. Mm. 23. Seven, 8, 9, 20. 7 more points. 23, 7 more points. Trying to get rid of that. Okay. Hit the 80. So my targets is basically hit the 80, but it's not pulling back. The squeeze is up. Yeah, what's going on? He said, after Joe Clark, we gonna be happening. After him, he's pretty about Joe Clark. Yeah, so I'm when he called me, I give you his number. Yeah, I call you. Well, I'll take you for you. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay, can we get a pullback? And maybe a continuation. Can we get a pullback? Maybe into 70. Let me see, that previous day's high is 71, 73. coming back into the below the previous day's high, and then wanting it to get back above would be risky. But it's up 5 points. We can get up 10, 15, 20 points. We only up 5. So, you know, this market, when it's green or red, can go 10, 20 points. Don't look like it's stopping yet. $7,200 is probably where we want to get to today. That might get to the top of this. Get to the top of this R2. R3. So I'm gonna look for some pullbacks and continuations. So that's the breakout that I was the breakout of the flat top breakout that I was looking at earlier. 1, 2, consolidate, boom. But I didn't take it because it was so close to the next R1, and so I think these orders down here that they've been sweeping this liquidity may get hurt up here after this breakout, and may get to 72 on a if these liquidities, if they can't hold their positions and they start buying them back, we may be able to get some more push to the upside up until 72. When? I don't know, but the action on this has just been so choppy to the upside. Wicks on both sides. Wicks on both sides. Green, red, green, red. The one trade I did have, I had the sim connected to my Lucid account, but I made the trade in the sim because the copy trading wasn't on. Right now I'm trying to check when I have 5 accounts, which I blew. So now I got 1 account. I'm trying to past that. I was getting a lot of slippage on the copy trader into my Lucid account, so I'm trying to test to see if the Lucid account was actually taking the slippage, or if it's actually the copy trader that's and it's slow, or if my order's just making to the market slow. So I'm trading with the Lucid account as the leader, and copy trading the sim account, and see if I get the same slippage. If my sim account is live, so if I get slippage on my sim account, then I know that okay, it's the same. Because I get good fills on the sim, and my Lucid accounts will get bad fills. You may know copy trading can definitely get you worse fills, but I'm just doing it reverse engineering this and see what happened with the 78.50. Okay. Should we get a pullback? Pullback for retest. A breakout, pullback for the retest. The remix. One thing I'm not doing is not shorting. Okay. See how it pulled back. Let's see what the pullback is. Okay, we below previous, well, we was over and under previous days. $78. Consolidated. 360. 74. The first bounce, the first bounce back, off with the support, and this is coming down, turns over. Another 5 minutes until another 15-minute bar opens up. and the 15-minute bar is a decisive bar. That was it. I didn't take it. Okay. So we consolidating around here, and maybe we get another, still following this, we get another break. Okay. In about 2 minutes, we got another 15-minute bar opening up. Riding the eight, riding the 8 train. I mean the 9 train. I used to use the 8 train. In 1 minute, let's see. Next 15-minute bar, let's see where it wants to go. This 15-minute bar has been indecisive here, but it's in between R1 and R2. So let's see if we can get to R2 some type of way. Made a little dip under here, not a big pullback. $13 seconds for that 15-minute bar. We didn't break this high, 78.50. We went as high as 78 and got pushed back down. So now do we just come up and consolidate up here for a while? It's only for a quarter. This is the delta. It's going down. Go. Am I missing it? Am I missing it? It's still coming down. Just there we go. No, 84. Got orders trying to hold up over 80, which may take out. Look at this. Look at this order. Look at this order here. Look at it dropping. Pushing. Dropping down. Trying to hold it up. Buyers giving up. Who's giving up? They fighting up here. '77s look like you're trying to hold that 77. '77 is holding. 77 is holding. Let me see if I can get 78.
Order submitted.
77 is holding. If it holds,
order filled.
I'm gonna move my stop close though. 77 looks like it may hold, but if it fails, I want to be out.
Order filled.
'77 was holding. Okay. Is this the turnover? Or we just taking it again.
Order submitted.
That's 77. Taking it again. Taking it again. Stop me out, and then there it goes.
Order canceled.
Timing. 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 Now this bar pops. Does this bar pop? I don't want to be the one trying to break that 80. I want to see it go. Then we got 1,000. We got 1,000. Look, we got these orders sitting up here. That low was 76.50. this thing, like if it does break, I don't know what his high is gonna react to this 82 and this 83. They may either they step out the way, or they just act as a brick wall resistance here. Okay, testing 80. Okay, went over. We at 80. How do we react at 82? 82 and 83. On my 15-minute chart. Back under 80. We got 2,000 over 1,000 orders above it. Okay, we're back under 80. Back under 80. And we're getting bought up. $75. We're buying this support here at 75, 76. $78. But I got swiped up here once. I don't know what they're gonna do up here with these orders, so I'm not trading. I'm waiting to see. $84. Target is 84. Delta's pushing. All right, we back. Well, back. $80 to 84. That's the next target. I only need 4 points. I'll be playing. Got some orders stepping in. Five, 7. They trying to hold below 80. Look at this. This is ugly. Just. We still following this trend line though. We still hasn't broken this trend line. And we got nice uptrend, but if it wasn't at the bottom, look, pop, pop, dump, pop, dump, pop, dump. Had a nice move here. Didn't get in here. That 65 out. Wanted to get that 65, didn't take it. Just too choppy. They're gonna trend line break. But we down into that 75. We've been bouncing off the 75. I want to see a rotation down. I don't want to see this get down. This could break out of here. That's 77 where I got stopped before. I just don't like the movement. The movement. You see this cycle. Just brought it down to here and to here. Testing the previous day's high. Previous day's open. Prior day's high, 73. Testing the prior day's high. Testing the prior day's high, 73. This may be a short opportunity. Let's see if we can break the high, 73. 70 to 60. We back to the breakout level. We testing. Let's see what happens. Let's see if the sellers, let's see if it comes down and then starts to go back up, or For the short, I don't want to take the first. I want to see if it bounce back up and roll over. And then, but who knows, with this market, it's just not moving. High 71. And 72. Actually, I want to get.
Order submit.
I'm gonna try
Order
to take
filled.
70 and see if we can get a pop. See if we can get a pop. I don't want it to come down. If it starts breaking 70 again, I'm out. I'm trying to hold right below. Hopefully it doesn't come wanting to get this order here. Sometimes it'll come and get these orders here. Okay. 74. If we can get back up. They stay coming in, orders pushing. 70 is not ready yet. Maybe too early. The low of this is 66. I'm definitely not below 66. Order stepped out the way. They're coming in on the seller side, so I may be on the wrong side. Okay. That's it for the day. Two stops, 2 trades, 2 stops. So, and I want to take this. I still think we got some push to the upside. We got these orders that's holding it down. I'm gonna wait. It's like an impulse, not impulse, but like a support buy. But we may be on the downside. 72, we got some resistance at 72. 73 is that prior open. I'll give one more
Order
shot.
submitted. Order filled.
Give one more shot. One more shot. My stop is below this low, but it's low 67. Nah, I should have waited till we. Nah, I'm on the wrong side. I'm on the wrong side.
Order filled.
All right, that's it. That's it. 3 times is the charm. So, okay. Now we got some buyers at 67, but all right, that's it. Come back tomorrow. I'm not going to try to take any more trades. That's it. Time to go. So I'm not taking any more trades. So my first look was to go short at the break, but with us moving up, I wasn't I thought that we may get a bounce back above here and hold above R1, but nope, that's not what happened. $70 to $60 short. Looked like that was the short. Now we testing back to prior close. Now we're back testing 70. And there we go. We got little shoulders, head, and the shoulders. If we break, the high is 81, low is 64. Looking up by 18, 19 points, 17 points. So 64 minus 17. Into 40 something, 40 something. Back down to maybe to low. We test the value low. This was a pullback and rollover, but it's too close. It didn't like leave any space and roll over like this rollover. It just went up and then came down. Let's just turn around. This the channel. Looking at that up channel. We're back to the first. Is that the first? No, the first breakout was here. Second was here. We're back below the first breakout. Back at the open. Testing the open. Testing the day's open. Over and under today's open. Or maybe the second half we just go lower. We got as high as we could on a daily, and now we break this close of 61.50. Maybe we just go lower, continue lower. Maybe we bounce off the 61.50 and we hold it. We hold that as a level. But if we do, so we got 61.50 to 63. I'm trying to get back over the open. What is trying to stack under? It's trying to push. Back to the open. Over and under. But I say it look like it want to stay above today's open. But you know, as soon as you say it, the opposite happens. another 15-minute bar opens up, you know. Right now. I was in at 77. Is this 67 going to push? Back below 70. We dipped above it and then pushed lower. Got rejected. I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
I'm going to see if we get a pop here. I was waiting. See if we get a hold under here. Over the 65. This 70. Still got to get past this 70. Man, still got to get past that 70. Where we at? 68. 67. Where's 77? Trying to get on the right side. Oh man. Point of control just moved right here. Point of control just moved right there. The new point of control 67.25. New point of control just moved 65 to 67.25. Look like that may be a V WAP. I mean a V recovery here. The low of this 15-minute bar is 65.25. So I'm at the low of the 15-minute bar, and if we can hold and keep moving up back to the upside, test it over and under. Just might dump. If it don't go, then it's gonna dump. This is turning over also, so we're not in a good cycle. This is going up, but I would like both these to be going in the same cycle, and they're not. All right. Two top and tails here on the 3-minute is not good at all. Go fake out.
Order filled.
Okay. One more again. Not on the right side. That's it. Happy trading. I'm out for the day. Two top and tails, power point of control moved up and rolled right over.